That's it. All right, great day to be great. Here we go. Here is a nice fun game that I learned from Team Treehouse, a program that I use to help me learn how to code. Let's do it. So I have some starter programs first. So if you go to your browser, if I can find my browser again, where'd it go? All right, never mind. We'll restart that. We'll restart that. Okay. Just make sure I have this copied. Woo! All right, great day to be great. Let's do this. You want to code your first video game? Here is a nice, simple way to start. I learned this through Team Treehouse, an awesome program that taught me how to code. So we got, first, in my video descriptions, you'll see the link to my GitHub. You need these starter files first to start off the game. So just paste it in the browser. The link is in my description of the video. I said that already. How about I say it twice? How about I say it 3 times? One more time. We got it, we got it. Yee, yee, yee. Less words, more do. They just want to make a game. That's all they want to do if they click the video. Alrighty, great day to be great. Here is an awesome lesson that you're about to get into. Ooh, if I flowed on that one, that would have been a good one. Nice. Got it. All right, great day to be great. If you are a beginner at coding and you're wanting to learn, this lesson is awesome for you. Here is my first video game that I learned how to program through Team Treehouse, an awesome program to help people that want to know how to code. But here we're going to create this game. By the end of this video, this game is going to be created on your computer. Let's go. So in the description of the video, I have a link to my starter files. Go ahead and paste that link in your web browser. And here is called GitHub. And if you go to code, download zip, go ahead and click that. And you'll see at the bottom, here is the zip. Put that on the desktop. We can close that now. Here's the end code. We can close that. Go ahead and double click your zip. Boom. You can go ahead and throw that zip away, keep your code clean, and then double click this, and then we're gonna take this project, pull it down to your text editor. Visual Studio Code is the editor that I use. Also, if you're wanting to download that to your computer, I'll have that link in the description as well to download this text editor. All right, so here we got our starter files. Let me slide this over so that you guys can see. And I'm gonna make the text actually a little bigger for you. View right here, preference, settings, all right. So it's easier for you guys to see. Let's go 32. All right, perfect. So here is your code. If you're looking intimidated, don't worry. We're not gonna have to know everything right now. We're just gonna learn a little bit of basics playing with JavaScript. So just so I want you guys to see here, Phaser is a starter file that helps develop games. You're not gonna have to even worry about that. Everything that we're gonna do is here on game.js. This go live right here, we're gonna click that, and you will see here is currently what our game looks like. Boom, boom. Okay, using the arrows, you'll be able to go back and forth, and your space button allows you to jump. Boom, oh my goodness, I'm not able to get this coin. So let's look at our code. And in our code, so like in English, you learn grammar and punctuation. In coding, it's called syntax, a proper way to learn like how to write your code. At the top right here, we have, you see it says var. These are called variables, and variables hold values. So right here, as you can see, my current score, 0. Current score, 0. And then right here, my winning score currently is 100. So in order for me to win, I'm gonna need 100. All right. Also, we have functions. These functions, currently right now, if you can look at it, boom, you see it says coin. So if I create more of these, I'm gonna create more coins. Here, function, add platform. This is how I'm gonna add more platforms. So first, let's try to figure out how we can collect this coin. I'm probably gonna need to take this, take this platform down. And so the way to do that is adjusting these numbers right here. This first number, see how it says 450, applies to the horizontal line, like horizontally. Right here in this top left corner is 0. All the way to the end is 800. And then my next number, see that 150? That is like the vertical line. Top left corner is 0. All the way to the bottom is 600. So let's adjust that to make that go a little bit more down. We're gonna put 550. You can go ahead and save. You go File, Save. And then now, looking at my code, I'll actually go, boom, put that there. Now, my platform is down. So now if I bring my character, boom, I'm on the platform. Now I could jump. Oh, and I got it. Awesome. And you can see my score now changed. Every coin that I get, let's see down here, boom. Here is, we can call this like control structures. And this is a conditional statement here. So if I collect a coin, it adds 10 points. Boom, I got 10 points to my score. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh that. So now, let's go ahead and start adding some more coins and platforms, because just getting one is whoop-de-doo. Let's try to add some more. So let's go, we can copy this. We'll get some, let's do platforms first. Copy this right here. Copy, enter, paste, enter, paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's go 11. My first one, I'm gonna put, I got the 450, and then my next one, let's go ahead and put 100, just to scatter them around. 100, next, 300, whoa, not 3,000. Next, 250, and let's make this one a little shorter, 50. Change this to 150. We'll go here, 650, there you go. Over here, let's go 550, there it is. 300. 400, and then 100. You can make them wherever you would like, or you can follow along with me. So there, I just changed the horizontal for all of them, and now we're gonna change the verticals for them. So let's keep this first one the same. Keep this next one 550. Next, let's make this one 450, 150, 300, 250, Let's go 300 again. There we go, 200. 450, 350, and 100. 100, 100. Awesome. Remember to save it, and now let's check it out. Boom. Now I got my platforms all spread out throughout it, and I'm able to jump on them. Collect that coin, and I can jump on them. Sweet. Okay, so now we see we got our platforms. Now let's do the same though, but let's add some more coins. Go ahead and copy these. Whoops. Command C to copy, enter V. Let's also do 11. So let's put a coin on each of the platforms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Awesome, okay? And this is how I space them out. So let's go 575. So we got 375 and 400. We'll do each individually. 575 and 500. Let's go 225 and 500, and then 100 and 250, and then 575 with 150. And then let's go 525 with 300, 650 with 250, 225 with 200, there you go. 375 with, let's make that 100. And then let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Nice. Nice. 100. 370 with 500. And then 100 with 375. Let me double check these. Nice, nice. And let's add one more. Boom, boom. And let's make this 125 and 50. Okay. Nice. Let's save that. Awesome, awesome. So as we can see, my current score is 0, and then my winning score is 100. So let's see if we are able to win right here. So we got, boom, 10, 20, 30, there it is. 70, 80, 90, 100. Boom, I collected all of them. Now I have my winning badge right there. Collect it, you win. Congratulations. Sweet, very good. So what we just made right there, boom, we added some coins into our function, and we added a platform. And then even down here's the function of showing when you win, if your current score equals your winning score, then the badge ends up appearing. All right, well, that's a pretty easy game. There was no way for us to even lose. So what we can do though now is add in some more dynamicness to the game, like adding in some poison. Okay, so we're gonna load in some new images. Over here to the side, you see we have all these different images. We got stars, poison, different platforms that we're able to use. So go back to the game.js. We're going to add some new images. Okay? So if you scroll down here, this green stuff is called code, and this is comments, and these comments help other developers know what different areas mean in the code. So let's add, we were talking about some poison, so let's add some poison. So we can go ahead and copy this one. Copy this, paste, paste. We're gonna add poison and star. So right here is if you write poison, good. And then here's the file name, and the file name is poison.png. So we're able to just change this, poison.png, and let's change the dimensions of it to 32. And then we'll also add the star, and here, as you see, it's star.png. So we'll go star, and it is 32. Let's make that 32 as well. While we're adding new images, let's go ahead and add the other platform that we have. We have platform 2 as well to make the game more dynamic. Let's add platform 2. And let's call that one platform with the number 2 right there. And the file name right here is platform_2. So go ahead and change that 1 to a 2. Awesome. So now these new images are loaded into our game, but we have not called them. We have not called them to appear anywhere. So if you scroll back up to right here, we can add our different platforms. So let's go, these bottom 4, let's make them platform 2s. So we got 2, 2, 2, and 2, right there. Command S, file save, and boom. See, we have a variance of here's our platform 1s, and here's our platform 2s. Sweet. And then let's also add some poison in the star. Let's go this very bottom one, let's make that the star. And the 3 above it, let's make it poison. Poison. Here you go. Poison. One, 2, 3. Poison. File save. All right. So now you see we got some poisons there, some stars, 1 star, and the coins. So now let's play our game. Let's check it out. Boom, I got a coin, plus 10. Boom, a coin, plus 10. Let's see what happens when I grab this poison. Boom, I added 10 again. What kind of game is that? Where even if you get the poison, you add points. So now what we can do to adjust that is change up our conditional formatting. Right here, our conditional statement. It's right here. So right here, if any item that I grab, it's going to add me 10. I'm going to add 10 points on there. So what we can do to adjust that, all right, is we can, let's go ahead and keep these curly braces that are in the yellow. We're going to go ahead and delete these, okay? And create our own. So we got item dot kill, meaning like when we collect an item, boom, boom. This is what's going to happen. So if reading the JavaScript, you can read it out like a sentence. So if item dot key equals a coin, so if it's a coin, boom, boom. If it's a coin, then current score equals current score plus 10. So it's looking at what your score is at that moment, and it'll add 10 to it. Else, so we got else right here. Else if item key, like the item that we end up grabbing, equals a poison. So if it's a poison that I'm grabbing, if it's a poison, then we can just grab this right here, paste it here, current score equals, let's say, negative 25. So then their points go down, negative 25. Boom, boom, boom. And then again, another situation, else if item key equals, if it equals a star, now let's maybe give them bonus points to it. So we can go ahead and highlight these, copy, paste, and let's go plus 25. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. And then at the very end, because we want the badge to pop up, if current score equals the winning score that we have, winning score, then what we want to happen is we want the create badge to pop up. Create badge. And curly brace, semicolon. Boom. Nice. All right, now let's test it out. So we can see, boom, nice. Aha, negative 21 when I pressed it. I can refresh, jumping up here, boom, boom. I got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 105. Oh my goodness, no badge. Why do you think maybe no badge? It was 105. Currently, my winning score is 100. So just to make it simple, let's go. Winning score needs to be 105. We'll go through it quick. Boom, boom. There you go, there we go. Nice, nice. 105, now my badge comes up. Boom, I win the game. Awesome, awesome. So, quick, simple lesson. If you want to try it out, have some fun with it, play around with the different code, Don't worry, make mistakes. Remember to follow, subscribe. Yes, macaroni cheese, fried noodles.